Hello students, in this video let's see how to insert node in a binary search tree. First of all, what's a binary search tree? Binary search tree is a binary tree which may be empty. If it is not empty, then it has some properties to be satisfied. Every node in a binary search tree has a key and these keys are distinct. Then all the keys that are less than the particular node are in the left subtree of that node, and all the keys that are greater than any node is in the right subtree of that node, and every subtree in itself is a binary search tree. So these four properties should be satisfied. Then how do we create or how do we insert a binary search tree? Here I have a list of numbers to be inserted into the binary search tree. Currently the tree is empty. Now I start inserting. The first node I want to insert is 40. As the tree is empty, the first node I try to insert becomes the root node of this tree. Now the key value here I have is 40. Then the next node I want to insert has a key 50. Since 50 is greater than 40, this will be the right child. Okay, this will be the right child of 40. Next I want 60 to be inserted. Then 60 is greater than 40, so 60 has to be in the right subtree of 40. But this already has a right child, so just traverse down and check where to insert this new node. Then 60 is greater than 50 and 50 does not have a right child, so we can insert 60 as a right child of 50. Then the next number is 55. It is greater than 40, so it has to be in the right subtree. Then check whether this already has a child. Yeah, it already has a child. Then compare 55 with 50. 55 is greater than 50. So it has to be in the right subtree of 50. But this already has a right child. Traverse down and check 55, compare 55 with 60. 55 is less than 60 and 60 does not have a left child. We can insert 55 as a left child of 60. Then the next number is 30. 30 is less than 40 and 40 does not have a left child. We can insert 30 as a left child to 40. Then 35, it is less than 40. It already has a right child. Compare it with 30 here. So 35 is greater than 30. So 35 has to be in the right subtree of 30 and 30 does not have a right child. So insert 35 as a right child of 30. Then the next number is 70. Start from root again. So 70 is greater than 40. Traverse down. 70 is greater than 50. Traverse in the right subtree of 50. Then compare 70 with 60. 70 is greater than 60 and 60 does not have a right child. So we can insert 70 as a right child of 60. This is how we can insert nodes into the binary search tree. Now let's write a function to insert node into the binary search tree. Here we have the function to insert a node into the binary search tree. The function is insert. To this function we are passing two arguments. One is the pointer root to the tree into which we want to insert, and none is the number we want to insert or the key we want to insert in the binary search tree. Whenever we want to insert into a binary search tree, first of all we have to get the memory allocated. We are getting that done here. In C we use the malloc function. So temp is a pointer variable. So temp is equal to node malloc size of struct node time. So this much memory gets allocated for the node. Now that the node is allocated, we have to write into the data field and to the pointer fields. Now what has happened here? Some node has got allocated like this, and this is the left child field, this is the right child field, and this is the data field, and temp is a pointer to this. This is how the memory gets allocated. So temp is equal to node malloc size of struct node. We have to define the structure node for this before performing this operation. Then the memory gets allocated like this, wherein we have a left child field, data field, and a right child field. Then I want to write it in the data field. What is that I want to write? Num. That I have written temp data is equal to num. So this value gets copied here, and in a binary search tree, whenever I am inserting a node, that will be the leaf node. We do not insert in between. Since the leaf nodes always have null in their pointers, pointer fields, I can make this temp left child is equal to null and temp right child is also equal to null. Now that I have the node ready, I have to find a location to insert this. Where in the current binary search tree I have to insert this. So we have to find that location and insert. For this we can write either a recursive function or an iterative function. This is the iterative function. What is that I am doing here? What is that I am doing here? If value at root is equal to null. If value at root is equal to null, that means currently the tree is empty. Then I can write value at root is equal to temp, that is, this node itself becomes the root node of that tree. If the tree already exists, that means the tree is not empty, then the control goes to this else part. Here I have to find a location to insert a node. For that, what we can do is, I am using two pointers. One is the previous pointer, the other one is the current pointers. I am initializing previous pointer to null. Then current pointer I am assigning this to root, current root node. So let us assume that we already have a tree. So we already have a tree with the data 40. So this is how my tree is, and root is pointing to this node. In this I want to insert a node, let us say 50. Then to insert that node I have to find a location. For that I am using these two pointers. I am making current is equal to value at root, meaning current is now pointing to this node. Then while current is not equal to null, we have to go on traversing the tree to find the location to insert. Now while current is not equal to null, this current is pointing to this, it is not equal to null. Then the control enters into the loop, wherein I make previous is equal to current. Whenever we are traversing the tree, if we want to have a pointer to the previous node, we are making this assignment. Okay, I make previous is equal to current. With that, previous is also a pointer to this node. Then, if the number is greater than the current data, then I want to perform this operation, else this perform. Let us assume that now I want to insert a value 50. If my number is 50, the number is greater than the current data. Current data is 40. 50 is what I am trying to insert, so it is greater than this. So control comes to this, wherein we have current is equal to current right child, meaning current right child is null. So now current becomes null. Current is no more pointing to this. Remember, previous is pointing here and current has become null. Then control goes to this, wherein it checks current is not equal to null is false. That means you have found the position to insert. Now the current is null, then where do we insert? We have to insert the new node as a child node of the node to which previous is pointing. Then should it be a left child or a right child? That we are testing here. If number is greater than the previous data, then this, else this. So now the number is 50, previous data is 40. So 50 is greater than 40 is true, then we perform previous right child is equal to 10. That is, the next node we will be inserting as 50. So we insert the node here as a right child. So this will be null. Let us take one more example where we try to insert the node with the key 30. That is, we call this function by passing this pointer to root and the value 30. That is, the number is 30. Then we perform this malloc operation. So malloc operation is performed and we have a malloc operation is performed. We have created a node and temp is pointing to this. Then I write this. Temp data is equal to num. I said 30 is what we want to insert. Then I have done this. Then I am assigning null in the left child field and the right child field. Now this node is ready. I want to insert it. Check if value at root is equal to null. It's not. We already have the tree existing. We have this tree existing. So we want to insert into this. So control goes to else. I use these two pointers. Previous I make it as null and current I make it point to the root node. Then while current is not equal to null, condition is true, control enters here, then make previous is equal to current. Use one more pointer to point to the previous node. Previous is equal to current. Now I said the number is 30. Then it checks if number is greater than current data. Number is 30, current data is 40. This condition is false. Control goes to the else statement, where we make current is equal to current left child. Current left child is null. Okay, current is equal to current left child. So now current becomes null. Current is null. Then while current is not equal to null, we are performing this loop. Now this condition is false. Control comes out of the while loop. We have found a position to insert. We want to insert node 30 as a child node of the node to which previous is pointing. But where? Whether it should be a left child or a right child. So that we test here. If number is greater than the previous data. Previous data is 40, number is 30. So 30 is greater than 40 is false. Control goes to else, where we insert previous left child is equal to 10. That is, left child field of the node to which previous is pointing to. Previous is pointing to this. In the left child part here, I am trying to write 10. Now it will start pointing to this node. So we have inserted 30 as a left child to 40 and 50 as a right child to 50. So this is how we can write a function for inserting a node in the binary search tree. This is an iterative function. Thank you.